We are going to answer a simple question, but it is deceptively simple question. The question is, why glucose is stored as glycogen? Let me first clarify the question. Glucose molecules in hundreds and thousands, they join together in the covalent linkage to form a large biomolecule called glycogen. And then glycogen is stored in the liver cells, in the muscle cells, and whenever glucose is required, the huge glycogen molecule is broken down to form glucose molecule. Now I come to the point, glycogen synthesized from innumerable glucose molecules, and then when required it is broken down again to glucose molecule. Then what was the need of converting glucose to glycogen? ग्लूकोज को ग्लूकोज ही रहने देते. You expend a large amount of energy, so many enzymes, coenzymes in creating the glycogen molecule. And ultimately you break it down to glucose only. So then what was the need? ग्लूकोज को ग्लूकोज ही रहने देते, क्या प्रॉब्लम थी? Answer lies in a single word, osmotic pressure. All of you know osmotic pressure depends on number of particles. Supposing 10,000 ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल्स अगर वो ग्लूकोज की तरह प्रेजेंट होते सेल में, आइसोलेटेड ग्लूकोज ग्लूकोज ग्लूकोज, तो ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर क्या बहुत ज्यादा नहीं हो जाता? ग्लाइकोजन 10,000 का एक सिंगल मॉलिक्यूल बना तो ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर भी कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंगली बहुत कम हो जाएगा. दैट इज द रीजन. अगर ग्लूकोज को ग्लूकोज ही रहने देते, osmotic pressure would have risen so high that the cell would have burst open. So therefore, expenditure of energy, uses of enzymes, so much effort the cells put in to store glucose as glycogen. Thank you.